check out this video. This is how bamboo stick is converted to mat. Just watch the process. They first of all gather the bamboo sticks, and then they cut them into sizes, and now they are splitting them. Just take a look at this video. Just watch the process from beginning to the end, how they will transform these bamboo sticks into mat that you usually use to lie down. Just watch this video. So this is the machine that is actually splitting it. After that, they now transfer it to another machine that will straighten it. Just take a look at how the process is going. Just take a look at how they are transforming this bamboo stick to mat. The process is very much satisfactory. After that, they will sun dry it, and this is the kneading machine. It has started kneading it together. Just take a look at the end product. They are now weaving them out. Just watch how satisfactory and easy it is for them to do. Just take a look at it. Now what this machine is doing is to join the two ends together to form a larger mat. Just take a look at the process. This is very satisfactory. And there will be job opportunities for people. Take a look at how this girl is just easily kneading the amount of the mat. Just take a look at how it is going. It's a very satisfactory process, and just watch to the end. You see the end product, how it is, and how they are going to package this particular edition. Just take a look at the mat. This is the mat that they have produced, and now this is the packaging. See. After the first layer, they put it in another wrap, and then the packaging is quite okay. And at this point now, it's ready for you to sell. It's ready to be exported. Just give us a thumbs up if you like this video, and follow us for more. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.